Can you hold it for me so you can record? Yeah. Oh, don't be yourself. I have something to say here. Oh, don't. Wow. Come on, Chile. Yes. The truth will come out. Amen. 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 Yes, we bring greeting from UK. We bring greeting from UK. What is that? Bring greeting from UK. Greeting. Greeting from Ireland. Ireland, come on. I'm here with my family. We are coming tomorrow. Freedom, we know that. We are Friday. Life and direct. Oh, yes. Let me say something. Biafrans, please, this is our Prime Minister. Yes. We are not allowed to come in, but they just surprised us. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pierre. We thank you all. We thank you. We love our PM. We love our PM. I'm very confident that the truth is going to come out. And they will know that the wrong person has been in prison. Nigeria government are the one responsible for the killing of our people, and they should be held responsible for that. I am here because of the life of my people. And we are not giving up. No. Oh yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh yes. Thank you. Oh, our PM,